हेलो दोस्तों, आप सभी का वेलकम है पीएस क्लासेस में। मैं प्रशांत सर प्रयागराज की धरती से आप सभी का स्वागत करता हूं। जैसा कि दोस्तों आपको हिस्ट्री ऑफ इंग्लिश लिटरेचर का जूनियर शिक्षक भर्ती के लिए लगातार वीडियो दिए जा रहे हैं, तो दोस्तों अगर पहली बार मेरे चैनल को विजिट कर रहे हैं तो सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिएगा। राइट साइड में बेल आइकन के बटन को दबा दीजिएगा ताकि सबसे पहले हमारा नोटिफिकेशन आप तक पहुँच सके। तो दोस्तों ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा इस वीडियो को शेयर कर दीजिएगा। चलिए बात करते हैं रिबेक्का वेस्ट 1892 से 1983, इनके बारे में हम डिस्कस करेंगे। हर रियल नेम वाज सिसली फेयरफील्ड। हर फेमस नॉवेल्स आर द रिटर्न ऑफ द सोल्जर 1915, द थिंकिंग रीड 1936 एंड द बर्ड्स फॉल डाउन 1966। नेक्स्ट वन जो है देखिए D.H. लॉरेंस जी हैं। कौन है? D.H. लॉरेंस 1885 से 1930। D.H. लॉरेंस फेमस फॉर हिज नॉवेल ड्यू टू हिज साइकोलॉजिकल ट्रीटमेंट विद द कैरेक्टर्स। द चार्ज ऑफ obscenity was tagged with his many novels were banned during this period. His famous novels are, ध्यान दीजिएगा, वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट है और टीजीटी एग्जाम में आ भी चुका है। द वाइट पीकॉक 1911, इट वॉज हिज फर्स्ट नॉवेल एंड वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। देखिए दोस्तों, सेकेंड सन्स एंड लवर्स 1913, इट इज़ अ ऑटोबायोग्राफिकल नॉवेल बेस्ड ऑन ओडिपस कॉम्प्लेक्स। नेक्स्ट वन देखते हैं। द इंपॉर्टेंट कैरेक्टर्स आर गर्ट्रड कोपार्ड मिसेस नॉवेल्स एंड वाल्टर Maud, William Morales and Paul Morales. After the death of William Morales, Mrs. Morales attached to his second son Paul Morales. Paul was so attached with his mother that he was unable to make love with Miriam, and then after Clara Deuce. दोस्तों आइए हम बात करते हैं द रेनबो 1915। The major character from this novels are two sisters, Gudrun and Ursula. Woman in Love 1920. The characters Gudrun and Ursula also appears in this novel. Lady Chatterley's Lovers 1928. तो दोस्तों आइए बात करते हैं इसके बारे में। This was an infamous novel of Lawrence. It was banned in many countries. The name of the lover, Lady Chatterley, is Oliver Millar's servant was lover of Lady Chatterley. Lawrence famous quote is क्या था? My great religion is belief in the blood, the flesh as being wiser than the intellect. He was go wrong in our mind, but what our blood feel and believe and say is always true. दोस्तों आइए हम बात करते हैं अल्डाउस हक्सली के बारे में। तो इनके बारे में 1894 से 1963 हिज फेमस नॉवेल इज ब्रेव न्यू वर्ल्ड्स derived from The Tempest. It is a dystopic novel set in 26th century. The Burning Wheel Eyeless in Gaza. Henry Graham's Greene 1904 से 1991. He was famous as Catholic agnostic or Catholic atheist. His famous novels are Brighton's Rock 1938, The Power and the Glory 1940. First, it was his most famous novel. दोस्तों, The Heart of the Matter 1948, The Quiet American 1955. Let's know the next. Poetry of the Modern Age. तो मॉडर्न एज की पोइट्री कैसी थी इसके बारे में जानते हैं। War poets. The impact of the First World War visible in the poetry of war poets with the experience of French's wound and death. They questioned the need for war and combined it with anti-war argument. They did not romanticize war, rather appealed for a universal humanism. Most of the poets were soldier. Major poets के अगर हम बारे में बात करें तो विल्फ्रेड ओवेंस 1893 से 1918. He is known as the best war poet. His slogans for the war poetry was "My subject is war and the pity of war. The poetry is in the pity. All of his poems have been composed." The next one is in slightly over a year from August 1917 to September 1918. In November 1918, he was killed in an action at the age of 25. His famous poems are Anthem for the Doomed Youth, Disabled and Strange Meeting, The Sentry, The Deadbeat, The End of the Dulk of Decorum East. It was published in 1920 posthumously. The title is in Latin and poem concludes with these words: Dulx at decorum est pro paucia peri. It means it is sweet and unable to die for one's country. Now दोस्तों देखते हैं Edward Thomas 1878 से 1917. He was also killed in war in 1917. His famous poems are The Signpost and The In Memoriam. It is a short poem with the same title of the Tennyson poem. आइए दोस्तों बात करते हैं नेक्स्ट राइटर के बारे में. सी फ्राइट सेसुन्स 1886 से 1967. His famous poem are The Old Hunt Stoneman 1917's Counter Attack 1918 and Service War 1918. The next one is that the famous modern poets. दोस्तों आइए हम बात करते हैं the famous modern poet के बारे में. W.B. Yeats. This is very very important. 1865 से 1939. He got the Nobel Prize. Very very important. ध्यान दीजिएगा. He got the Nobel Prize in 1923. He with the Lady Gregory founded Irish theatre that is also known as the Abbey Theatre. Abbey Theatre ध्यान दीजिएगा. His famous poetic works are The Lac Isles of Infery, The Second Coming 1920. In this poem he says things fall apart the center cannot hold. Mayor anarchy is lost upon the world. The next one is देखते हैं दोस्तों A Prayer for My Daughters 1920. First Easter 1916 1920. First Leda on the Swan 1924. Sailing to Byzantium. This is very very important. ध्यान दीजिएगा. Sailing to Byzantium. W.B. Yeats, also known as the friend of Rabindranath Tagore in India. He was a member of the Rhymers group. He was very much influenced by the pre-Raphaelite poet. His works, इनका वर्क्स क्या था ध्यान दीजिए. The Green Helmet 1910, The Cat and the Moon 1924, A Full Moon in March 1935, Words of the Music 1932. T.S. Eliot. This is very very important poets. He was born in USA but later he became British and embraced Anglo-Catholicism and declared that I am a royalist in politics. This is very very important. पूछा जाता है इंग्लिश TGT PGT में पूछा गया है. Anglo-Catholic in religion and classist in literature. He is rightly considered to be the most complex poet, a great innovator and critic of 20th century. He was awarded with Nobel Prize for Literature. ध्यान दीजिएगा क्वेश्चन यहाँ से पूछे जाते हैं. Nobel Prize for Literature in 1928. The next one is that his famous poems are Peacock, Prufrock and the Observations 1970. The famous poems was this collection is the love song of J. Alfred Prufrock. He is a modern man and say I have measure cut my life with coffee spoons. The Westland. देखिए हर एग्जाम में यहाँ से क्वेश्चन बनते हैं. The Westland 1922. The poem is famous as modern epic. It was edited by Irja Pond. The poem is divided into 5 sections. First, the burial of the dead. Second, a game of chess. Third, the fire sermons. 4, death by water. And fifth, what the Thundersack. The Hallowmans 1925, Ash Wednesday 1930, For Quatrice 1943, and first Burnt Norton, second Easter Cocker, and third Dry Cell Works. The next देखते हैं लिटिल गिड्डी, एंड नेक्स्ट देखें कार्डॉन है, हिज फेमस प्लेज आर क्या था, मर्डर इन द कैथेड्रल, very very important, 1935. It is a classical play. He is deal with the life and death. Martyrdom, Thomas Bisetti. The Family Reunion, 1939. The Cocktail Poetry, 1949. The Confidential Clerk, 1954. तो दोस्तों आइए टी.एस. इलियट के बारे में कुछ और महत्वपूर्ण जानकारी लेते हैं. T.S. Eliot is also famous as a critic. His famous critical work is The Sacred Wood. His famous essay are The Metaphysical Poets, The Hamlet and His Problems. देखिए वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट है. ट्रेडिशंस एंड द इंडिविजुअल्स टैलेंट. W.H. Auden के बारे में ये बात करते हैं. 1907 से 1973 he got the Pulitzer Prize. 1948, this is most important, he was a homosexual. His famous poems are Funeral Blues, September 1st 1939, The Seed of the Atlas 1952, For the Time Being 1944, and The Sea and the Mirror 1944. It is a contemporary on The Tempest by Shakespeare. The Unknown Citizens 1939, the poem is about the modern man who is reduced only to be the number. The famous lines from the poem is, was he free, was he be happy, the question is absurd. दोस्तों आइए बात करते हैं नेक्स्ट राइटर के बारे में. कौन है? डाइलेंस थॉमस 1914 से 1953. हिज फेमस पोएम इज अक्टूबर, डू नॉट गो gentle into that good night. His famous prose work is Portrait of the Artist as Young Dog. The next one is Robert Breeze. This is most important. 1844 से 1930. He was the poet laureate from 1913 to 1930. His famous analytical book is Milton's Prosody, 1889. 1921 second edition. Note prosody is the pattern of the rhyme and sound in poetry. His famous philosophical poem is The Testament of Beauty, 1929. His another famous poem is Nightingales. नेक्स्ट वन फिलिप लार्किन की बात अगर दोस्तों करें तो 1922 से 1985. हिज फर्स्ट बुक ऑफ पोइट्री वाज द नॉर्थ शिप, 1945. द पोएम्स चर्च गोइंग, 1954 इज आल्सो हिज फेमस पोएम. ड्रामाटिस्ट ऑफ द मॉडर्न एज, G.B. Shaw, 1856 से 1950 दोस्तों. और ध्यान दीजिएगा दिस इज मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर जूनियर शिक्षक भर्ती और TGT PGT के लिए. ही वॉज बोर्न इन डुबलिन. ही इज फेमस फॉर हिज प्ले ऑफ आइडिया प्रॉब्लम प्लेस. प्रॉब्लम प्ले इन इंग्लैंड वॉज पॉपुलराइज्ड बाय हिम. ही वॉज अ सोशलिस्ट एंड propagandist. He was awarded Nobel Prize in Literature in 1925. ध्यान दीजिएगा 1925 he was started his career as a novelist but become an advocate of the new theaters problem plays of Henrik Ibsen. His famous plays are Widowers Houses, 1892, Mrs. Warren's Professions, 1893, Arms and the Mans, 1894. Famous character of this play are Rana Bluntschli, Sergius Etrasa. The famous lines, 9 soldiers out of 10 are born full. The story deals the war of Bulgaria and Serbia. Candida, 1895. The husband of Candide was Morals. Another's character is Marchbanks. Caesar and Cleopatra, 1898. Man and Superman, 1903. And Pygmalion, 1912. Saint John, 1923. And the Apple Cart, 1929. Itrasa. क्राइस्टोफर फ्राई की अगर हम बात करें नेक्स्ट राइटर हैं तो 1907 से 2005. हिज फेमस प्लेज आर A Phonics to the Frequent 1946, The Ladies Not for the Burning 1949. It is a dramatic comedy. The famous characters are Thomas Pendiff, a soldier, Algernon the lady, and Humphrey Nicholas. G.M. Syme के बारे में अगर बात किया जाए, he is associated with the amphitheater. His famous plays are Riders to the Sea 1904, The Plays by the Western World 1907, Dylan Thomas. His famous play is Under Milkwood 1953. Sion's Cassie 1887 1964. His famous plays as The Shadows of the Guggermans 1922, The Plug and the Stars 1926. पोस्ट मॉडर्न लिटरेचर के बारे में अगर बात किया जाए तो द लिटरेचर आफ्टर सेकेंड वर्ल्ड वॉर इज नोन एज द पोस्ट मॉडर्न लिटरेचर. इट इज बिलीव्ड दैट ह्यूमन नॉलेज इज fragmentary and limited. There can never be objective knowledge because the structures derived from the human emotion from the which is a subjective things. Fragmentation, multiples, paradox, fluidity, intersexuality, metafictions, it also come in the literature. Readers response theory, deconstruction, post colonial criticism came in existence. Famous authors of the age are Samuel Beckett 1906 to 1989. He is considered as the one of the last modernist writer and one of the key figures of the theatre of the absurd. He was awarded Nobel Prize in Literature in 1969. His famous plays are Waiting for Godot 1953. It is an absurd play. Famous characters here: Blandimires, Estragons, Pagju, Lucky Atrasa, Endgame 1957, Grapes Lost Tap 1958. William Golding की अगर हम बात करें 1911 से 1993, he was the novelist, playwright and poet. He got Nobel Prize in 1983 and Booker Prize in 1980. His famous quotation is, I thank women and foolish to pretend that they are equal to men. They are far superior and plays have been. His famous novel is Lord of the Flies 1954. His famous play in The Brass Butterfly 1958. जॉन ऑसबॉर्न के बारे में बात करें, जॉन ऑसबॉर्न के बारे में 1929 से 1994. द कंसेप्ट ऑफ एंग्री यंग मैन केम फ्रॉम हिज फेमस प्ले लुक बैक इन एंगर 1956. द प्ले शॉक्ड ऑडियंसेस विथ इट्स थीम एंड द टेक्निक. होराल्ड पिंटर के बारे में अगर बात करें 1930 से 2008 तक, ही वॉज वन ऑफ द मोस्ट इन्फ्लुएंशियल पोस्ट मॉडर्न ब्रिटिश dramatist. His famous plays are The Room 1957, The Birthday Party 1958, The Caretaker 1960, No Man's Land 1974. He got Nobel Prize for the Literature in 2005. तो दोस्तों ये बात करते हैं नेक्स्ट. यहाँ पर हम देखते हैं हिज स्टाइल इंटर द इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज एज एन एडजेक्टिव पिंटरेस्क्यू. पोस्ट कॉलोनियल्स लिटरेचर के बारे में अगर हम बात करें दोस्तों, तो आफ्टर 1950 पोस्ट कॉलोनियल्स लिटरेचर बिकेम वेरी फेमस. इट डील्स विद द इश्यूज ऑफ द पॉलिटिकल एंड कल्चरल इंडिपेंडेंस ऑफ पीपल फॉर्मली subjugated to the colonial rule. It is the literature of countries that were colonized by the European countries. Edward Said wrote Orientalism 1978. तो दोस्तों अगर हम बात करें अदर फेमस पोस्ट कॉलोनियल्स आर V.S. नेपोल्स, सेल्मॉर्स, रसीड्स. तो माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, ये था आपका होल हिस्ट्री ऑफ इंग्लिश लिटरेचर जिसके बारे में PS क्लासेस ने आपको भरपूर कंटेंट दिया, जो कि जूनियर शिक्षक भर्ती के लिए क्या है मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट है. तो माय डियर स्टूडेंट, दिस इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू ऑल ऑफ यू एंड अगेन टाइम रिवीज दैट कंटेंट. एंड इफ़ यू विजिट फर्स्ट टाइम माई चैनल, प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब, share also and press at the right side button so that my videos first you visit. एंड तक आपने वीडियो को देखा. थैंक यू सो मच एवरीवन.